A woman I have never met has opened my Instagram 312 times this month. She only ever looks at the photos of my son. And last night, I finally found out who she is. It started when a friend showed me one of those tools that shows who actually opens your profile the most. I expected my ex, maybe a nosy coworker. Instead, the #1 spot was an account with no photo, no followers I knew, and a name I had never seen. Every single view landed after midnight, so I started watching the watcher. She never liked a post, never commented, not once. She only showed up on the days I posted about my little boy. His first birthday, 40 opens in one night. His first steps, 60. Somebody was studying him. So I traced where that account kept logging in from. A small town 2 hours away. The town with the hospital where my son was born. Then I zoomed in on her tiny profile picture, an old photo, a hospital wristband, and a date I would know anywhere, the day he was born. Because the woman in that photo is the one who carried him, our surrogate. We had what they call a closed arrangement. No contact after the birth. She signed the papers, she handed him to me in that delivery room, and she kept her word for 3 whole years. She never called. She just watched, quietly, from the outside, as the baby she grew learned to walk. And here is the part that broke me. After the pregnancy, she was told she could never carry a child again. My son is the only baby she will ever bring into this world. She wasn't a stranger obsessed with my child. She was grieving him and loving him in the only way she had left. That's the thing nobody tells you. The person watching you the most is almost never a stranger. Sometimes it's someone with a reason too big to say out loud. There is a name at the top of your list right now, opening your profile in silence, and you have no idea who or why. You can find out exactly who has been viewing your profile. Check the link in the description.